and applying for the PhD in the Moscow State University. Muhammad Yunus, you should know the scale of the India. Vishnu Priya recited the very South Indian style. This is the scale of the India. The hill track exists in the northeastern part of the India and sees in down Tamil Nadu. This is the strength of the India. Mr. Yunus, you should remember that this is the scale of the India. With this help, you were separated from the Pakistan. Today, we are going to, before going to start the seminar, the functions, we would like to introduce you the exact problems existing in the 3 districts of the Chakma Hill tract. The 2 districts share the border of the Mizoram and Tripura, and 1 district shares the border with the Myanmar. India shares the 3,400 kilometers border with the Bangladesh, only few corridors which share with the Myanmar. Now, with the help of the students, my colleagues from the northeastern part of the India, they made the documentary, and we are going to showcase the documentary. It make you to understand the problems very well, and then we can start the debate.
Forward for the indigenous people of Chittagong Hill Tracts. Now, it was an agreement that promised autonomy, again to mention the protection of land rights and the restoration of justice, but sadly, as we're witnessing it right now as it is, many of the promises made in the peace accord, they remain hugely unfulfilled. And indigenous communities, they are still fighting for control over their land and over their resources, and despite the accord, land encroachment by settlers, they have been continuing to displace families who have lived in these hills for generations. Now, moreover, the Chittagong Hill Tracts, they remain one of the most underdeveloped regions in Bangladesh. And despite the rich culture and history of the people, and as to everything that the people have to bring from the region, the indigenous communities, they struggle with the basic necessities. If we have to mention again, access to education, healthcare, employment. And it is not simply enough to merely acknowledge these issues only. We must also take action to ensure that the people of the region, they are given the opportunity that they deserve to thrive and lead their normal lives, because they are being stripped off of living a normal life in their daily situation.
তোমাদের ভিটে মাটি শেখা এই বাংলাদেশ কারোর একজনের দেশ হতে পারে না। যারা সেখানে থাকে, পূর্বপুরুষ ধরে রয়েছে, প্রজন্মের পর প্রজন্ম রয়েছে, তাদেরও দেশ বাংলাদেশ। তারা ছেড়ে কেন যাবে? তোমরা বললেই ছেড়ে চলে যাবে? হয় না। And Subodhji, I think we should also ask, because after all he's a Nobel laureate. तो हमको पूछना चाहिए, प्रोफेसर अमर्त्य सेन, प्रोफेसर कौशिक बासु, प्रोफेसर प्रणब वर्धन, अभिजीत बैनर्जी, प्रोफेसर अभिजीत बैनर्जी, अमिताभ घोष, लेखक, सी ऑफ पॉपीज, कैलकाटा क्रोमोसोम, सब चुप है, कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है। तो एटलीस्ट हम लोग तो इकोनॉमिस्ट नहीं है, हम लोग नोबेल लॉरिएट्स नहीं है, पर नोबेल लॉरिएट्स जो बंगाली है, एटलीस्ट वो तो नोबेल लॉरिएट को बोलो कि भाई आपका देश का क्या हाल हो रहा है, वो भी नहीं बोल रहा है। So what I am saying is it is a dual policy. These all the names that I have recited, they will immediately jump and say there is a recession of democracy in India. Democracy is in danger in India. All these names will say constitution is in danger in India. But when actually democracy, constitution, minorities are in danger in Bangladesh, they will keep quiet.
अच्छा है, उसको लेके आप लोग सामने में आ जाएं। गेस्ट को, सबको आप लोग I request first please welcome Dr. Anirban Ganguly with the
हम तो होस्ट हैं
Soumya Khurana,
ये बिल्कुल मेंटल
Dr. Amitabh Srivastav, Dr. Karunalankar Bhikhu, ये monk लोग
अच्छा हाँ अभिलाषा शेखिया सॉरी आपने कॉर्नर से भूल गए मैं अपना वाला कुछ पॉइंट हूँ
last one. Right? Dr. Arindam Ganguly, Professor Arindam Ganguly, who is the chairman of the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Foundation, to release the book.
Accepted. We should all do it together.
I have one more guest in the audience. I have not invited him earlier, but he is a very good resource. He worked with the Government of India. He worked with the MHA. He worked with the Ministry of External Affairs. I request Dr. Mrinal Kant Pandey, please come on the stage. I request the organizer to welcome him with this all. Dr. Mrinal Kant Pandey, he worked on the very sensitive issue